Have you ever looked at a normal image and thought, what if this could be 3D? Well, it actually can. And it's a lot easier than you would expect. Let me show you how. First, head over to Google search or Pinterest and search for an image that grabs your attention. It could be anything, just pick something with good depth and detail, then download it. Now we need to create a depth map. Open a free online depth map generator and upload your image. Give it a few seconds to process and you'll see a heat map style preview. Once it's done, download this grayscale depth map. Now let's jump into Blender. Clear the default scene, then press Shift A, Image, Mesh Plane, and import your image. It should appear directly in your viewport. Before we go further, we need to add more geometry to the plane so the effect works properly. Go into Edit mode, right click and choose Subdivide. Increase the cut to around 40 depending on how detailed you want the final result. Next, go to the Modifier panel and add a Displace Modifier. Click this Texture tab. After it, open the depth map image you just created. Set the color space to non-color and change the coordinate to UV. Now start adjusting the strength slider and you will see your flat image slowly turn into 3D surface. To smooth everything out, add a Subdivision Surface modifier on top and increase the level until it looks clean and refined. And that's it. You have just turned a simple 2D image into a 3D model. Try this with different image and see what kind of result you get. It's actually pretty fun to experiment with. If you enjoy this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Blender tips. See you in the next one. Keep creating.